Hello, I'm Maria from De'Longhi. Let me show you how to descale a Finalizing Maestro. You'll know it's time for descaling when this light is on. Before we start to descale, there's a few things we need to prepare. Remove the portafilter and the latte crema system and insert the descaler accessory. You will need 100 ml of De'Longhi descaler. Remove the filter and the softballs from the water tank. You'll also need 2 containers which can hold up to 2.5 litres of water. Let's remove any water that's in your water tank. Now it's time to add the descaler. Pour it to indicator A. Fill with fresh water to level B, which is just here. Reinsert your water tank. Now it's time to place both containers, one underneath the coffee outlet and the hot water outlet, and the other under the steam wand. Now we're ready to start the descaling process. This can take up to 40 minutes. Don't be alarmed if there are pauses. It will pulse through and it will stop. Press the descaling button until the descaling light starts to blink. The descaling cycle is finished and the light has turned white, which means we're ready to do our rinsing. First of all, we're going to remove the water in our container and also remove the water that's in our water tank. Now we need to fill it to the max level. Place your containers underneath the coffee and hot water outlet and the other container underneath the steam wand. We're now ready to commence the rinse cycle. The rinsing cycle has stopped. All we need to do now is empty these containers and fill the water tank to max. And finally, we just need to empty the drip tray. So the descaling light has now turned off and we're ready to make a perfetto coffee.